Today we're going to talk about possessive nouns. The possessive nouns tell who is the owner of something. Okay, like the example we have here: Rita's cell phone and Sam's coffee. And we have an example here: Sam has a coffee. Here, the coffee is his. We normally use his as a possessive pronoun. But we need to change it for a possessive noun like this: Sam's coffee. Instead of Sam has a coffee or the coffee is here, is his. Sam's coffee. Another example: Rita has a cell phone. The cell phone is hers. Hers is the possessive pronoun of her. Okay? Then we're going to change these two sentences for Rita's cell phone. Instead of hers, we're going to use Rita's cell phone. Then how do we use these? Well, the possessive nouns needs to add an s to a singular noun or to singular nouns to show possession, like this one. Uh, That is Bella's, this is Bella's umbrella. We're adding an S to the name of Bella to show possession. That is Bella's umbrella or umbrella. Sorry. Then again, we add an apostrophe to plural nouns to show possession. This is different because we have here two students and our noun is plural, ending in S. Then we cannot say s. Then those are the students' umbrellas. Look, I didn't say students, I say students and just wrote the apostrophe. Those are the students' umbrellas. Umbrellas. Then another rule, we add s to plural nouns to show possessions. Which plural nouns? The nouns that don't add an s, the irregular nouns, plurals. And those are the women's, we have here two women or women, as other people pronounce, and we add an apostrophe and s. Why? Because this plural doesn't have the sound of the S. Women's umbrellas. Then, which sentence do you think is the correct one? That is suitcases Martina, or that is Martina's suitcase. Think. Remember the rules. We add s to the pronoun to show possession. Who is the one in possession? The suitcase or Martina? Look at the picture. Who has the suitcase? Martina? Who has the possession? Martina or the suitcase? Then the correct one is that is Martina's suitcase because the suitcase is Martina's. Thank you very much.